Reinventing the Wheel for wheelchairs was the result of cooperation between the Israeli Company Softwheel and its U.S. partner, Crawford HP Composites. The Acrobat wheel is the first ever selective and symmetric in-wheel suspension system that allows the hub and suspension to react inside the wheel and decrease vibration to the frame or to the wheelchair users. Together, Softwheel and Crawford were able to advance the Softwheel Acrobat wheel to incorporate Crawford's high-grade carbon fiber technology. Creating Acrobat wheels out of carbon fiber enhances user ride capabilities. It provides stability for manual wheelchair users and reduces the level of daily pain and fatigue that can result from using a wheelchair. We will be able to see the product in cars, bicycles, and other forms of transportation. The Acrobat wheel takes you further on any ride.